Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to see your card number on Greenlight in 2025. Greenlight is a popular financial app for families, and knowing how to access your card number can be important for making purchases or linking your card to other accounts. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the Greenlight app. First, make sure you have the Greenlight app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Cards section. Once you're logged in, go to the Cards section. This can usually be found on the main dashboard or in the menu options. Step 3. Select your card. In the Cards section, you will see the list of cards associated with your Greenlight account. Choose the card for which you want to view the number. Step 4. View your card details. After selecting the card, look for the option to View Card Details or Card Settings. This option will show you the full details of your card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Note, for security purposes, Greenlight may ask you to verify your identity using a PIN or biometric authentication, fingerprint or facial recognition, before displaying the full card number. Step 5. Use the card number. Once you have access to your card number, you can use it for online purchases, subscriptions, or link it to any other service that requires your card details. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your card number on Greenlight in 2025. It's a quick and easy process that gives you the flexibility to manage your finances more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like Sushio, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.